Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about how to handle for drop-down values using for Playwright and Shisha. Okay, drop-down values means we have the three different kind of things. Okay, one is dynamic, and another one is static, and another one is multi-select. Okay, these are the three different. Okay, dynamic means every time we can able to change the values. Okay, you can able to say any flight or any bus, online bus you are booking, right? That moment you can able to see dynamically changing the values. Okay, static values is nothing but it will never change. Okay, and another one is multi-selection. You can able to select from the drop down. There are multiple values. Okay, and apart from this also we have another kind of drop down which is there is no selected tag. Voice selected tag means, see, in the real time any drop down there is a tag will start as a select. Okay, if you go for input box or button or anything, it will start with the input. Okay, button it will start with the button, correct? And text area purpose it will add a text area. Okay, like this it will start. Any tag it will start from that. And if paragraph means p, and title means it will start with the title. Okay, like this each and every tag it will specify, right? At that moment, if there is a drop down, that drop down tag will be a select. Okay, some of the applications that doesn't have for select tag, they have for uli, this kind of options, and they can able to use for comparing to ul, they will go for dev as well. Okay, depends upon the application, this can be a variations. Okay, in this particular session I'm going to teach you for static, which is not change the values. Okay, how you can able to handle that kind of drop downs in using our C sharp. Okay, for this we can able to select any application. I'm choosing for registration application, and here when you come down, see there is a country and here is a some skill sets are there, right? When you inspect this particular one, see the tag is become a select. Okay, tag is become a select. It is having id. When you expand it, there are a set of values it will be a presented. Set of values are presented. Default values select skill set. Okay, and how you can able to select this kind of options. Okay, that we can able to see in our session. Okay, going to here, I'll copy before this, copying this, minimizing, and test. I'm going to use for public async task and tc08 drop down. Okay, and I'm pasting my value. Okay, then I'll go ahead and copy this particular URL. Okay, okay, saved it. Okay, how many ways we can able to handle? See, there are multiple ways we can able to handle. One, by using for value option for the select tag, we can use for by selecting that we can able to use for option value or index position, or we can able to use for visible text. These are the three ways we can able to select any dropdown. And another case we can able to do for loop. For the for loop, you can able to get the all the values. Then you can able to select any specific value when it is matches. In case if there is no matching value, you can able to fail it. Okay, like that also we can able to do. Okay, first option we can able to go ahead and see that how we can able to do for selecting a value by using for option. Okay, I'm going to back to UI, and here is become a ID. Okay, I'm copying my ID and I'm pasting here. Here, Control F, hash ID. Okay, this is my ID and it is selected. Okay, now I'm copying this. I'm going back here. Mine is basically we need to choose a weight, page or dot a locator, page dot locator, and here I'm going to specify my locator. A dot select option sync. Select option sync. Okay, you can able to use that. It will give the two option. One is select option and select text. Okay, select text is basically a visible text. Okay, and select option it will take as an options. Okay, which one you want to select the option. Okay, this is my option. Okay, and I'm going to use my option become Adobe Photoshop. Okay, Adobe Photoshop I'm going to pass it, and then I'm here, and then await page dot time and providing for 4000 seconds and saving this one. Okay, now again expanding this one, running this, we can able to see whether it will be a selected or not. It's taking a little bit time. See, Adobe Photoshop is selected. Okay, without any issue, Adobe Photoshop is selected. Okay, now how to select for by using index position. Okay, index position we need to use. Okay, everything is same, but small things will be a change. Okay, and here we use it for a syncing purpose, right? For selecting option. In this particular location, we are going to use for another option called new select option value. Okay, select option value and two curly braces. Inside that, we are going to use for index. See here also it is providing index position or label or value. Which one you want, you can able to use. Label is nothing but a visible text. Index is a number. Value is become a value. Option value, which is the present, right? That particular value. Both are like a get and set property sits there. We can able to get the set and options in that particular things. You can able to see it. Okay. Now index and equal to I'm specifying for 2. Specifying for 2. Okay. Again I'm rotating now. See, Adobe Photoshop got started. Click selected. Okay. And third case is we can able to select by visible text. Then I'm going to use for my label. Okay, label expected for value. I'm going to use for analytics. Okay, every time we are selecting for Adobe, right? I don't want to do for the same again for visible text also. Just I'm using for analytics. See, analytics are selected. Okay, Now we are able to selecting for those things. Okay, but we don't know whether we are selected for expected value or not. Do you know? No, right? We don't know whether we are selected. Again, I'm scrolling and you are able to see, right? We need to see that as well in the console. Okay, how you can able to use a string selected value equal to await, sorry, await page dot eval on selected async. Okay, then it will take as a string because we are expecting as a string, and here we need to provide our drop down values, locator value. Okay, and then we need to use evaluation of this particular one. Okay, and we can able to use a comma and double quotation el equal to or greater than symbol el dot a value, el dot value. Now specifying this, and here I am doing for console dot write line, and here I am going to use for selected value, selected value. Okay, now I'm saving this one. Now clicking here and again running. The analytics is selected. Whether it is given the pass or fail, we need to see. Oh, why this is not given? Why? We are used for syncing purpose only. A page dot eval on select. We can see any other method. Select. We can see now again one more time. This is all it is there. Now again I'm going to select only a specific value purpose. Now selected and console. Yeah. Previous it is there, selector all is there, and I remove the all, then it is given for value. Okay, perfectly we are able to select a value. Okay, and even there is a one more thing, like we can able to run for loop, and we can able to select when it is match the specific element. Okay, how you can able to do that kind of operation? Now again I am removing this one. Okay, again here where options equal to await page dot locator. Okay, page dot locator, and here we need to get that entire locator. Okay, this I'm copying again, going to my page. Okay, this is my page, right? And we need to get the all the options, right? Then option, see total 78 options came. Okay, now I'm copying this entire things, and then specifying, coming back to here, and then I'm going to use for one condition like all text context sync. Okay, context sync, this is the one. Okay, now we are saved into everything. Now in this one we need to run for loop. Okay, for loop int I equal to a 0, I is greater than options dot account, okay, I plus plus, we need, because we need to rotate the for loop every time, right? Now in this case, when if options I is equal to my expected value, okay, what we can able to expect the value, desktop publishing, okay, desktop publishing, okay, I'm going to take the desktop publishing and making here, we need to select that specific value, right? Now here I'm going to use for await, await page dot locator, page dot locator, and I'm going to use for my starting point of my one, okay, dot select option sync, and then new select option value, okay, and I'm going to use for here label equal to, in this particular label what we can able to write, we need to provide our which value we are specifying. This is the value we are going to specify into selecting, because we are going to matching, this is the one, right, equal to this value, okay, and semicolon, okay. Now this value it will select, and after that the condition which is we are providing, right, that it will automatically select. Once it is done the selection and everything, then we are going to make a break for that particular options, okay. Now again I'm going to here run. See, desktop publishing is selected, and sorry, if you come desktop publishing, okay, which we are expecting, that is the one, because we done for loop, and the for loop we are selected, then whether we are selected proper value or not, that also we choose, okay. This is the way we can able to select from drop down value, that is static drop down value, we can see for the multi selection and dynamic, okay. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.